Meet the bright minds of YALDA. Before we proceed, please remember to subscribe and to click the notification bell. Thrilling competition ahead. These entrepreneurs are not just delegates. They are contenders vying for YALDA's investment to propel their businesses to new heights. What are your thoughts? Who do you think deserves to win? Let us know your favorites and why.
So much. I arrived Delhi on the 12th of April, and what brought me in Delhi, I think Africa and India having a similar way of life, having a similar cultural way of life, and India being one of those countries that have suddenly advanced and is capable of feeding their populations.
Is this entrepreneur your pick? Tell us your thoughts. Why do you believe this entrepreneur should win? Your engagement fuels the dreams of these young entrepreneurs. Imagine these businesses in your country. Which one would you love to see thrive in your community? Tell us where you're from and why you'd love to have one of these businesses in your country. Comment below and share why their business deserves the YALDA investment. Your voice matters. Remember to subscribe and to click the notification bell so you can be informed of our new and inspiring video. And share with your family and friends across all our social media.